Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your QR codes on the parking spot application to your Apple Wallet. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should wait a few seconds till it loads, and then click on this account button that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. And now here you can see your QR code. So tap on this Add to Apple Wallet button down below. And now click on the Add button in the upper right corner of the screen. And as you can see, your Sport Club card has been added to your Apple Wallet. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.